Hi, welcome to US Decals. We are the leaders in USDOT truck lettering and now the leaders in graphic design services for transportation companies. In this video, we're going to talk about all the decals you need as a first-time trucker. You want to make sure that you're compliant and you follow all of the regulations set by the Department of Transportation. Stick around. We'll start off with the first and most important regulation numbers that you need to display, which is your company name and your USDOT number. Here, you can either send us your own logo, we can design your own logo, you can display your trucking company name, the location where you're based out of, you can display your USDOT number, MC number, California number, Kentucky number, or whatever regulation number is applicable to you. You can either display it on one template, and you can usually place this on the truck door, or you can separate the regulation numbers and put those in the storage box area. Really depends on what you want to do, but we always recommend to display all of your information professionally. You want to make sure that you number your vehicles correctly, especially if you have 2 or more trucks, or if you have a large fleet. This is great for fleet management. If you have 10 vehicles, you'll be able to have an idea where all your vehicles at, or if you have a new trucker, hey, take vehicle 9, etc., etc. This is important and this is required. You want to make sure that you number your trailers correctly, especially if you have more than one. This is great for fleet management. In California, the Air Resource Board requires the reefer trailers to be numbered. So don't forget to number your trailer or reefer. Also, you want to make sure that you have a fire extinguisher inside decal wherever your fire extinguisher is located. This is usually in the driver's side. So you want to make sure that you display this outside correctly and that it's visible. You don't want to get stopped, or you don't want to get a ding for not having a decal on your semi-truck. Also, you want to make sure that you display driver is using electronic logs. This is required by everyone. You want to make sure that you display this on both sides. A lot of new truckers don't know what decals they need to display, and this is one of them. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any questions, you can leave a comment in the comments below. If you have a graphic design question, or you need graphic design services or custom truck decals for your new business, visit our website. We would be more than happy to assist. Also, remember to like this video, share it with a new trucker. Thank you.